On my automated task tracker, there's a feature where every single recurring task is automatically added to your task list whenever it's ready to be completed again. So that way it does it while you sleep. You don't have to think about it, and your task list will be ready for you to complete whenever you log in. And the way this happens is that anything that's marked as yes is added, anything that's marked as no is not added. So as you can imagine, the sky is kind of the limit on what you can and can't do. And that's because you can configure pretty much any formula that you want to be marked as yes, just using a simple if statement. Now, what if you wanted to not exclude weekdays, but you didn't want it to actually be added on the weekday instead? What you could do is you could create a button where whenever you press it, it adds the recurring tasks, but if you don't press it, it won't. Let me show you how to do this. So we're gonna go to extensions, app script, then we have this recurring task right here, and the function of this task is called copy recurring task. Now, typically we have a trigger set up on the live version that automatically runs that task every single day. If we don't wanna have that, you can delete the trigger from running every single day. So we're gonna go to our task list. Then right up here, we're going to go to Insert, Drawing. I'm going to select a shape. So let's say I want to have this shape right here. Inside here, I'll put recurring. Let's make it a yellow color, I guess. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. Now you can reformat it based off of wherever you want it to fit. Perfect. We're going to go back to our app script and copy the name of that task. Make sure you're copying the recurring and not the timestamp one. And then click into it, click on the three little dots, and click Assign Script, and paste that. Hit OK. And now once you press it, it will try to run that script. You'll need to authorize it to run the first time. So go ahead and authorize it. Go to Advanced and Continue. Perfect. So now it's authorized. And now whenever you press that button, anything that's marked as yes over on the recurring tab will automatically be added to the bottom of your list. So now if I go back to my recurring tasks, you can see that we have everything added today. I'm filming this on the 12th. And everything that was marked as yes is now marked as no. And everything that was marked as yes originally is now at the bottom of the task list. So it's still automated. It's not fully automated where it's being added when you sleep, but if you don't want to deal with weekends or anything like that, this is a great option for you. All you have to do when you log in the morning, simply click on recurring, and anything that's marked as yes will automatically be added to the bottom of your list. If there is nothing that's marked as yes, it will run through the cycle. It might take a while, so you can just hit cancel if nothing gets added.